Hello, I'm here for the Devil Wears Prada movie. And yeah, I can't wait here in North Texas. And I can't wait to see the designers work in the theater. They're going to do a showcase before the movie starts at 8 o'clock. So it starts at 6:30. So here's the theater. Pretty cool, huh? Got me some. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Oh, yeah, Prada. Oh, yeah. Let me see. Ooh-wee. I have no stand. Nothing. I do have my Ray-Ban Metas, of course. Like spy glasses. But yeah, here we go. Okay. How do we look? Prada. Definitely Devil Wears Prada. Yeah. See you then. Oh my God. Woo! All of this. I cannot wait. Thank you. Thank you. Excuse me.
Not sure if you can navigate through here. We can help you out at any of these points.
Okay. Mine have been printed out.
And we also have designs by Langscape. As well as Kenobi, who is a jewelry designer here from Dallas.
I'm so sorry. Alright, so you look great.
We also have Essa.
Oh, mine have been printed out. Yeah, that's me. It's recording. What in the world? You scan a QR code and you become Michael Jackson. That's funny. That's funny. Oh my God. Wait. Woo-wee. What is this? What is a cherry float? Okay. How you put the ice on? Oh, this is the ice. Since 1924. Dang. Zero no. Ooh, I love cream soda. Okay, let's get right there. We got vanilla, artery, peach. I drink vanilla so many times. That sounds nasty. Let's try strawberry. I hope this is good. I hope I didn't get the wrong ugly color. Okay. Okay.
Good evening, everyone. If you'd like to grab your concession in the MixedThreads, we are all ready and
Like, how do you know? How do you know where the outfits? How you can see the outfits?
Oh, this is obvious.
Oh, H. Oh, this is me.
Oh, do y'all have? Oh, where does VIP stand? Sorry, I don't.
It's okay. Oh, okay. I'm 13. Okay. This is my seat. Oh my goodness, they gave us a free magazine, a fictional Runway magazine. That is epic. VIP stuff.